Welcome to Eagle Market View. Your eyes on the stock market.
Nifty 50-minute candle you can observe here, especially this week market is high volatile market because of the monthly expiry week. So you can observe here this week Monday morning it's a gap up open, after that a strong selling market. Even Tuesday, that is a Nifty monthly expiry day, the first half is complete sideways is there, after 2 o'clock sharp buying. Coming to the Wednesday chart, observe Wednesday it's a gap up open, after that profit booking. Even Thursday also the trend is negative trend, price is strong selling, price closing at the day's low. Even Friday, today is the completely sideways market Friday, price closing at the day's high. So very important point is especially controversial CAS system. So again this week volatility is there. So you can observe here every day this week. So huge momentum, especially this week because of the CAS system. So especially retail traders facing a heavy difficulty in trading. So especially what happens, right? When I will give you one example also. This week what happens Wednesday. So market is taking a support and also price given the upside breakout. So the time around 24 at the money premium is 24,300. Call option side premium is 120 is there. 120 to 130. So put option side premium is 60 to 70 is there. So what happens? Suddenly downside momentum. So what happens? CE premium is down by nearly 50%. So P premium is almost 70 to 80 happen within a 5 to 10 minutes time frame. Same scenario you can come to here also. So today what happens? Same thing today also 24,200 premium is nearly 120 is there. Put option side premium is nearly 60 is there. If in case today market is downside momentum, so obviously what happens? CE premium will be crash, PE premium will rise. So market is upside momentum. So you see as it is same old, no change. So PE premium is down by nearly only 5 point. So that is also one of the reason market CAS system, which side market is move, nobody knows, and also head of the momentum. So what happens, right? Head of the momentum CAS system. So this retail people, what happens? Retail people, they entering into the whichever option premium is more is there, they are usually buying. So the what happens? Market will move. Sometimes market will close same level only, otherwise crash. So that's why this CAS system only, it's a lot of because the main reason is there is a less liquidity is there, less participation is there in this CAS system. So that is also one of the main drawback. Okay, so coming to the tomorrow Nifty Monday, how to trade. So today night around 7 p.m. Friday night, so there is a Jackson Hole led to the US Fed. How many rate cuts possible in 2026 they will announce this year today. So that is also very very important event for the market. So based on that, market will be Monday morning will be big gap up or big gap down open possibility is there. So coming to the Nifty today, it's a almost V shape recovery we can see. So Nifty very important, this is the level is the Nifty last candle, this is closing candle. So Monday Nifty if in case price any opening this level 24,080 is the important support level, that is today low. If in case Nifty any breakdown 24,080 level bearish candle, though then price will go further downside momentum. Similarly, so in yesterday video also clearly mentioned that this is the important support level around 24,120 level. Monday morning, if the Nifty any bullish candle form in this support level, so then there is a high probability price will go further upside momentum up to 24,200 is the R1. If 24,200 level also 50-minute candle close above the resistance, then price will go next resistance level is 24,300 level. Even 24,300 also breakout, then price will go to the next resistance is 24,400 level. So here very important point, this is 24,120. This monthly expiry day, Nifty monthly expiry day. So market is a sharp short covering rally we've seen. So almost nearly 150 points momentum from the day's low to day's high. So obviously this is the very strong sub buying zone, buying area. Yesterday, sensex expiry day. So sensex also taking a W pattern also. There is a high probability if the price any breakout yesterday. So huge momentum possibility is there. But price is CAS system downside breakdown. Okay. So because of the selling pressure also, heavy selling pressure also is there. That is also one of the main reason. So coming to the tomorrow, if in case any gap up open, so wait for the price action. If in case price any gap up open near 24,250 level near open, so wait for the price to forming any bearish candle or bearish pattern. Then we can plan for the selling side. Price will come to the next support level 24,180. Okay. So even 24,180 also break down, then price will come to the next support level. This is the very strong support level, 24,120 level. The momentum possibility is there. Especially in daily candle also observe here. In daily candle also Nifty forming a near the support level. Nifty strong selling pressure. After that fresh recovery, again selling. So again near the support level, Nifty today form bullish candle. So we can expecting further upside momentum. So 24,400 is the important resistance level. This is the level is the important support level. 24,400 is the important resistance level. The momentum possibility is there. Nifty you have to watch as per the daily candle. Price is very good buying setup form today. Even weekly candle also observe here. As per the weekly candle also, Nifty again last 3 weeks after the breakout is fail. Once the breakout happen last 3 weeks back, after that breakout is fail, so the trend is negative trend is there. So Nifty current trend is sell on rise. Even FIS and DIS are continuously buying in Indian market, especially last week heavy buying FIS along with the DIS. But last week the candle is bearish candle is there. So maybe chances are higher that near the support level there is a some 24,000 level near last 2 weeks price holding the 24,000 level. So that is very positive sign. So maybe next week market will be upside momentum possibility, very high chance is there. Only Nifty weekly candle 24,500 is breakout, then only the trend is changed from the sell on rise to positive trend. Similarly, this is 24,000 level. So last 3 weeks the trend is sideways. 24 range band is there within 24,000 level to 24,500 level. Only 500 points. Either side breakdown, then only we can expecting a trending momentum expecting. Okay. So coming to the even as per the hourly candle also, Nifty this is the very important support level here. Price is reverse momentum. So 24,004 is the important support level. Even 24,800 breaks also Monday. So immediate support is there 24,000 level. If in case 15-minute candle is breakdown 24,000 level, so Monday, so then we can expecting strong aggressive selling possibility is there up to 23,900 level. Okay. So this is the very important support level. So coming to the crude oil also observe here. Crude oil also current trend is negative trend is there crude oil. So positive trend is there, but you can observe here positive recovery, positive here some bit of the recovery possibility is there. Today low any breakdown crude oil, so some bit of the strong selling possibility is there. This is the level is the important support level is there. So currently crude oil also any rise is a selling opportunity. This is the strong selling. After that this is the any rise selling, price will go further downside momentum only. You can watch crude oil chart also. So coming to the even today especially IT stocks are heavy trending today. This is the Nifty IT index. Nifty IT index today it's up by 3.5%. So strong bullish candle after the consolidation is there. So next resistance is near 32,000 level. Any breakout this level, price will go further upside momentum. You can watch Nifty IT index. Coforge also stock is today all-time high breakout. As per the hourly candle structure you can observe here very strong bullish pattern is there. Last 3 to 4 days consolidation also breakout. Okay, so along with the even monthly chart also observe here. As per monthly chart also stock closing very strong positive close, almost consolidation breakdown, again sharp V-shape recovery, high breakout. So here there is some bit of the dip also, price will go further upside momentum. You can watch Coforge Limited. TCS observe here, as per the TCS hourly candle. So today very strong breakout morning fresh hour candle. After that consolidation, but very important is TCS upside breakout. Last 3 to 4 days consolidation is there, complete consolidation breakout, so very positive sign. So price will go further upside. Next resistance is around 2500 level tak you can watch TCS. Even HCL technology also observe here. HCL technology also after the price action is selling pressure is there. Today the channel is breakout upside. So almost all the IT stocks are very strong bullish momentum today. Even downside momentum also, price it retest the resistance breakout level. So again price will go further upside momentum possibility is there. You can watch HCL technology. Even Tech Mahindra also observe. Tech Mahindra also after consolidation June, today morning the price action is upside breakout almost 1 week. So tomorrow any breakout above this level we can plan for the further upside momentum. Similarly Infosys also observe. Infosys also today gap up open and also price closing near the breakout level. So there is high probability any breakout this level. So there is a price will go up to 1200 plus possibility is there. You can watch Infosys stock also. Coming to the Hindalco also, in even yesterday video, price near the support level, price forming a bullish pattern also. Any breakout price will go to the next resistance level. There is a huge support is there. You can watch Hindalco stock also. Along with the today morning, from morning also we mentioned the TCS Coforge breakout stock. IT stocks are trending, and also we mentioned the Coforge along with the TCS stock also. So because the volume also very strong is there, along with the, because every day chart explanation is there, lot of educational content is there. So those who are especially newly joined our Telegram channel, kindly watch. So because here we mentioned that market is facing a resistance around 24,200. So here without 24,200 we can't go for the long side. Same thing, short term rejection level is there around 24,200. Even price also today closing near the 24,200. So here TCS and also Coforge stock also pattern also bullish pattern from both stock. One is symmetric triangle pattern, one is pole and flag pattern. Both pattern also breakout you can observe here. Along with the Nifty 24,100 is the very strong support level. 24,100 support level here, price is upside breakout today. Okay, so same thing. So all the contents are educational purpose only. You can watch here. Nifty, once the price is breakout above the 24,125, there is a short covering rally. Same thing, once the price is breakout this level, there is, we seen that start covering rally also. Okay, so tomorrow what's your view, whether market will go tomorrow upside or downside? Please share in the comment section. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.